you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up, then girl put them lashes. Hey my billionaire babies, it is Justus, and I am back with a video that was requested. Y'all asked me about my skin and my skincare and my makeup, and I get those type of questions all the time. And since it's my birthday, we gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get ready for my birthday, but y'all gonna get ready with me. So I also was asked to open one of my birthday gifts on camera, which was my Sephora birthday gift. It was a birthday gift to myself, so I do know what's in here. But y'all don't. So my all-time favorite, I've been wearing Becca foundation since I first started wearing foundation. I opened this one by accident, sorry. So this is the Becca primer, and then Sephora gave me a free gift. They gave me the Milk Makeup Sephora Beauty Insider. So let's just go ahead and get into it. First, I just washed my face. When I wash my face, I use Dial soap, just the yellow bar Dial soap. Don't come for me because it works for me. I use that, and then I do a scrub with the St. Ives Gentle Smoothing Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. I did not use it as a mask today. I just used it as a scrub. Once I get through doing that, I usually use my toner, which I have it in this, but I know that it is an alcohol-free toner. But I use my Pond's moisturizer, and then I follow it up with the this is like chamomile lotion. You could do You know what you use when you get your box? I think it's the same thing, but it's for skin. So, and it's like, it has been clearing up my breakouts. Like anytime I get a breakout, and I can just put this just on where my breakout is, and just put it on there probably like twice a day for a couple of days, and it's gonna dry my breakout up. And then I think it keep me from having more breakouts because I haven't been having as many since I started like incorporating this into my skincare routine. And I wear it under my makeup, and it like also helped because I'm oily. So I honestly think that that is like a holy grail at this point. This is my Love Kisses, which is my clear gloss with rose petals, dried rose petals. Whenever you're priming your face, what you want to do is you want to take any setting powder. I'm going to use the Derma Blend setting powder because it's really good at blending in. This is going to make your makeup last for a very long time. And if you're oily, this is really gonna help. I just bought this for my birthday, y'all, so that I can like lounge in the house and be comfortable and cute. So happy birthday to I. Today is my birthday. Today is September the 14th. So I'm really happy. And then I'm gonna go in with Becca. This is the Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. And I'm just putting this and dapping it in, because if you rub it in, it's gonna like move your setting powder. So I'm just dapping it in. Here we go with my Becca. I wear the color Sienna. What they be saying, get into it. I just put like 2 pumps, but I like a full coverage. So also, you guys, I had you guys ask me some questions. So I'm gonna answer some of y'all questions. What inspired you to be where you are right now? Being broke. Being broke inspired me to be this way. You like Fenty or Morphe brand? If so, which one would you recommend? I like Morphe. I have tried Fenty. I tried their foundation. I didn't really like it. If I had to choose one, it would be Morphe. So I like this. I like that. Pro Concealer LA Girl. Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Do you plan on opening a storefront business someday? Well, I do want a storefront because I'm a makeup artist. So I would probably do that because I'm a makeup artist and just sell my stuff in there as well. You know what I mean? Like 2 for 1. Next question. Would you ever start teaching a class about starting a business? Like, sure. If that's what y'all want, if you want a class, just let me know. We can get that together. So I try not to do too much concealing on my forehead because... Thank you. So I try to let it like under my eye get tacky. So we're gonna start with the places I don't want the highlight to be very noticeable. So it's gonna be like on my chin. Give you like a little subtle glowy chin, you know. My forehead, so start on the outer edges. Oop, I got it in my eyebrow a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. It's makeup. It can be fixed. Unless it can't be fixed. Alright, so I'm trying to get rid of like my under eye dip. So I like to put a little more concealer right above the dip, to kind of like make it look like it's standing out. I never had my phone up on loud. I just got a sale. Thank you. It's my birthday, y'all. So use code HBD Just Us for 26% off because I'm 26 today. I'm going to extend that sale. I was going to do it for just one day and do it today, but I know I'm not going to post this video today. And I know y'all want to shop because y'all always tell me y'all want to shop. So I bet y'all are like, is she going to announce who the giveaway winner is? Like, ma'am, yes I am. I'm going to announce it. Let me tell you who the giveaway winner is. Also, let me tell you what you won. Virgo season is going to be over very soon, like I think next week. Yeah, you got 2 or 3 more chances to win. I don't know, not counting, but yeah. But this is my Morphe setting powder and I love it. So with the setting powder, you don't want to put a lot. You just want to put like dab it and wipe a little bit off on your beauty blender. And I always try to put just like a little bit into my brows. As y'all know, I don't have very many. Make your brow hair stand out, so it make it look like, oh, that's you. Tricks to the game, baby. What I've been doing lately, and I like it, I've been going in with the Derma Blend because it's a little bit darker, It's not like an under eye setting powder for me. So then I take a nice amount and I start like right here at the corner of my mouth, right? I drag it out. That's it. And whenever you're bronzing go kind of like right here in your contour right there, okay? So I'm gonna bronze it. You can start seeing a difference, What do you love most about this business and industry? Making other people happy. Like making other people feel pretty. Like, I love doing makeup because I get to like directly see somebody be like, oh my God, I'm so gorgeous. Like, I love that. And then I love, like, I know that you're going to feel good in my lashes. And I don't know, I just like to make women feel good. We go through a lot. And I was going through a lot when I started doing everything. And it, this is what made me feel good. So, I don't know, making other people feel good because you don't know what they're going through. And you just sometimes you just do your makeup or get cute and put some lashes on or something. Just as a pick-me-up, So I'm happy that I'm that person that you come to for that pick-me-up. You feel me? What is your favorite color? White. Even though it's not an actual color, it's actually the absence of color, but it's my favorite color. My favorite makeup brand. So my favorite foundation is Becca. This is my bronze, and I'm kind of bronzing around where I put my highlighter. And I take the same bronzer shade and like a little eyebrow. This is the Morphe. Okay, Morphe, you ain't got no number on here. What's really good? But yeah, this is a Morphe brush. And I just kind of like dip it in there, tap, start at the edge of my eyebrow in a circular motion and kind of come down to here and then swipe it. Okay, swipe it. Okay, swipe it. Ooh, but y'all learning how to contour that nose properly, huh? Don't even know your nose be contoured playing with me. Okay. So now I'm gonna do my actual contour, which is another Black Radiance. This is the shade 8623 Black Coffee. It's a little too dark, but I know how to work with this. And right above that line, I kind of like start at the ear and come out. Don't come all the way out here. Start at the ear, come out to like the edge of your brow, and come right up against where your hairline is. Kind of sweep it into your hairline a little bit. Get as close as you possibly can. You don't need to do it until you can see it, because you can see it. You just don't know you can see it. And then I kind of like blend it a little bit. So try to always have like a light hand, okay? Now for blush, never go past, so you see this your eyeball. You see this like, this the black eyeball. Where the white is, don't go past and go into the black, okay? So if you're looking at yourself, your blush should stay like right in that white area, not past that white area on your eyeball. Give me my little tricks. We almost finished. Ooh. I take this brush, my Real Technique. I love Real Technique brushes. I'm gonna put that out there. This is the Dermablend setting powder. What I'm about to do, obviously, is get rid of this line, as well as make sure that I don't have any harsh lines. So, all right. So then I'm gonna do my eyes. So I'm gonna do a liner today. I haven't been doing liners. I'm gonna do a liner. Need some more of this. So this is Sephora. I should have got this when I was in there. This is a Sephora. Although I have not been shopping with Sephora, this is Sephora liner, precision liner, and I like it in the color black. Okay. Now this is the Milk Primer. This is a trick to the trade right here. This right here. Bottom lashes. Put the primer. What is your biggest motivation? Never being broke again. Never being homeless again. Never send an eviction notice again. Why we haven't took a trip yet? Girl, we can take a trip, girl. Let's take that trip. I'm down. When Corona over with. We need to do makeup videos together. Yeah, let's do a collab. What's my favorite car? The car that I wouldn't mind having is probably gonna be like a Lexus. I want something big better than that, obviously, when I get more money. But just like where I'm at right now, I would like a white Lexus with the red leather seats with the sunroof. Hopefully the double sunroof. Yeah. Everything about YouTube. Y'all are my favorite thing about YouTube. Because a lot of times I'd be like, I'm going to quit. I don't want to do YouTube no more. Like, and it's not that I don't want to do YouTube no more. It'd be like, I don't know, I've been wanting to do YouTube for a very, very long time, but I never wanted to do a business YouTube. I just happened to start my business during that time, and I just started posting stuff about my business, and it kind of took off. So to enter into the giveaway, would you like to see next a mukbang on how I started my business? Somebody asked me for that, or why I started my business, sorry. Or would you like to see me decorating my office for fall? Because I'm gonna do that too. Which one would you like to see next? So you're gonna get both. I'm gonna do both. I plan on doing both. But which one would you like to see next? So this should be my Wednesday video. Which one would you like to see for Sunday? You have to be subscribed, you have to like this video, and you have to be following me on shop.lamore Instagram. All you gotta do is answer that question, and you're entered into the giveaway. It's so simple. Oh my gosh, my giveaways are so easy. I'll make it harder next time. I'm just playing. So I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist before I put my primer, my lashes on. Yo, without the lashes, killing it though, ain't it? Okay, well, hey, oh well, too late. And now I look like the CEO. So I'm going to put on some matte lip gloss. So this is my favorite. It's LA Colors Liquid Lip Color Matte in the shade Pumped. CLG 414 Pumped. So that gives me like that. It's really natural. It's like a natural looking pink. So this is my Morphe highlighter palette. I don't think it has any other. Star Blazer. I like Spark. What's this one? So if you have oily skin, this is how to look like you're glowing. So that's the makeup routine. And now I think I'm gonna, I don't want to curl my hair. I don't really want to curl my hair. I just want to bump this little side over here. So I'm gonna bump this side over here, and then I'm gonna put on some clothes, and yeah. Okay, so this hair is from Ali Pearl, and it do not shed. yeah, and now let me go put on an outfit. What will I wear? Okay, so this is the finished look. And I'm wearing my white dress I showed y'all the other day that I didn't like because it was too big. But I'm going to keep the dress. Yeah, but since I don't have anywhere to go and today is a Monday, then wear this. So, let me see. I just paired it with my Guess purse. And I have on just some sandals with like a little ankle bracelet and my hoop earrings. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you really like this look, because, you know, I'm excited. It's my birthday. I'm going to be excited either way. But yeah, just make sure that you subscribe and like this video. And stay safe, stay beautiful, stay blessed.